Okay, so now we're playing the NASCAR and let's talk about the true force feedback of this game, which actually I do like it a lot because the true force is very smooth and the wheel is a little bit hard, which is good. But overall, complements very well, in my opinion, the wheel. In terms of the force feedback, it's strong, but it's smooth, in my opinion. Um, this is very good, in my opinion. And this game is very, very good, if I'm honest with you. You have to try it. Overall, the True Force feels very, very well balanced and very smooth. As you can see, I can keep my hands pretty well. I really enjoy this game. I can feel the bumps, which is very nice. This was very good experience in my opinion. So the true force feedback varies, so it's completely different from last time we played the ACC, and the true force was just madness, was so strong that I couldn't keep the wheel properly. If you want to see that, check the links and descriptions down below for the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more cool videos. But yeah, I do like the force feedback on the NASCAR, which is amazing, very smooth, very easy to control. Actually, it's not very hard. It's very easy to steer, and it's a great experience in my opinion. Definitely I recommend to try this game if you never tried before. It's completely different experience from the ACC because the true force on the ACC is so strong that you have to keep the hands very strong. I can do that here with one hand, as you can see, and it's very easy to do that. Obviously I still need to keep the hands strong um, with force, but it's much smooth experience from the ACC. Overall, this is very good. The true force here works very well, and it's very well balanced in my opinion. Again, this varies to a different games you play. Very smooth, very smooth. And even I don't have to use the brakes, which is very good. Let me know what do you think about this G29. Recently I bought this wheel and so far I really enjoy this experience. And as you can see, it's very smooth with no complaints. Let me see if I can take these two cars. very smooth. Really enjoying this game. Very smooth. Overall, this is maybe one of the easiest way and smoothest True Force experience, I believe. This is personally for me. Love it. Love it. So let me know, what do you think, guys? Have you played this game before? Leave it. Leave your comments in the descriptions down below. Well, comments. Leave your comments and let me know, what do you think. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, I am very happy to discuss with you. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.